Welcome back to Tough Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to use an inner tie rod tool to remove the inner tie rod on the steering rack. First, start by removing the outer tie rod. Make sure to use the correct wrench and make sure to use an adjustable wrench to remove the outer tie rod. And of course, always make sure to count the amount of turns when removing the outer tie rod. If it takes 14 turns to remove the outer tie rod, don't forget that number, because when you install the outer tie rod, you're going to have to turn it 14 times going clockwise. Next, I recommend buying a brand new racket pinion or steering rack bellow or boot, because most likely this dust boot is going to be torn, or most likely it is going to be cracked. Once you remove this part, next look at the inner tie rod. When you buy a brand new part, make sure it is exactly the same length. Next, get your inner tie rod tool and look at the crow foot. Determine which one you need. There's going to be two different types of crow foot. One is for metric and one is for standard. Since this steering rack came from a BMW, so it is going to use metric. So make sure you get the correct size and make sure that there is little to no slack on it. So this is the next biggest size, and there is a little bit of slack, but this is going to be the closest crow foot size I could use. Next, take the crow foot and slip it over the inner tie rod nut. Then next, take this part over here and slip it right over. Right there. And this is a very great tool because you could get into tight spaces. Next, get your 1/2-inch ratchet, and all you gotta do is just break it loose by going counterclockwise. And of course, installation is going to be the exact same way. You're going to install it going clockwise. So that's how you use a inner tie rod tool. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.